Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add password protection to the emails on Proton Mail on PC. Proton Mail, developed by the Proton, is also a secure email platform that prioritizes privacy, and one of its key features is the ability to send password protected email. So this ensures that only recipients who know the password can read the message, and adding an extra layer of security for sensitive information. And first, you need to open any of the web browser on your device, and in the top we can find this address bar. Type down proton.me and enter it. And once you get into this interface, you need to click onto this sign in the top right, and over here select to this mail. So over here, once you get into this interface of a mail, in the left icon we can find this new message here. Click over there. Over here you need to enter to the recipient's detail, and you can also enable the password. On the bottom you need to look for the lock icon below it. Beside the delete, select to this encryption here, type down your password, and you can also give a hint for it to open. And over here you can select to this an encryption on the bottom here, and over here you can also compose the email. You can add a subject to the email as well and type a message in the email body over here, and after that you can set it on the bottom right. And that is it. Adding password protection to email in Proton Mail on PC is a straightforward way to ensure your sensitive messages remain private. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you, and if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.